Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Live Prep. Myself, Dr. Gajapati Verma. So, we are actually talking about the scuba diving course. So, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about some general information related to scuba diving. And now, from this video onwards, we are going with the complete information related to the scuba diving. So, here we are going with the total number of videos are 7. So, in that already one is completed. Now, this is the second video we are going. And in this video, simply I am giving you the summary or the overall information related to the course. That's it. So this will be a very short video. Now let us quickly go through this. So here the location is the okay. So day 0. What is this day 0? Suppose course is starting from tomorrow. So tomorrow will be the day 1. So today I am taking as day 0. So this day, today itself you are reaching the okay campus, and then you will be getting this accommodation and all. So they will allot you the room and all, and they will also provide you sleeping bag, pillow, bed sheet and all these things. Okay. So apart from this, if you want to carry anything, that is your wish. Okay. So this is what the location is. So if you're coming like this, just here only, just here only. So you will be having the taxi stand. So if you're coming to the dock, okay, so there itself you are stopping there. So there is a banyan tree also. So there itself, if you see, you can see this particular location. Okay. And in this, you are getting your accommodation. So it is a permanent construction. So you don't need to worry. Okay. And here with respect to drinking water, hot water, normal water, cold water, all these will be available for the bath. Generally, so if it is the winter time, so they will provide you hot water also, or else normal water is also enough. Next one, toilets and bathrooms. So since it is a permanent construction, so they are the permanent structure, so no, you don't need to worry about this particular facility. And regarding the washing the clothes, so washing machine is not available. So if you want to wash your clothes, so you need to wash on your own only, so better. So anyhow, there itself is the market, right? So you can get the detergent powder and something, you can easily wash your clothes also. Next one, regarding the food, yes, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, both the types of foods are available. So those who are vegetarians, you don't need to worry, they will give you, see, vegetarian means mainly with respect to the curry only the problem will come, right? So whenever they are making some separate non-veg like chicken or chicken and all, so at that time they will make some vegetarian like paneer or something, they will make separately. So that's why you don't need to worry. So veg and non-vegetarian separately they will be provided. Okay, yes. So on the day 1, what actually happens? On the day 1 in the morning session, generally the documentation process will be there. So it will take almost 1.5 hours. So you need to fill some 3 to 4 forms, and you need to write all the details and all the things. Clear? And there you need to paste your passport size photographs also. That's why photographs are compulsory. And not only this, whenever you are filling these things, make sure that you are writing the proper address. There is a particular location they will tell you. So at that location, you need to write the correct and complete address, because you are receiving your logbook and certificate through post. By post only you are getting that. So that's why that address should be complete and proper. Okay. And anyhow, they will once again they will type, and they will ask you if there are any corrections, you please make the corrections in that particular one, because that address is very important, and to that address only you will receive the certificate. So please observe this carefully. Okay. And if you are having any doubt, so you can ask them also. Next one, regarding the insurance. Okay, already in the joining instructions also they said don't purchase any insurance in advance. Okay, once you are going to the course, on the day 1 they will tell you, because from the day 2 actually your diving will start. Before you are starting your diving, you should compulsorily have your insurance. So they will suggest that insurance from where you need to get, for how many days. Actually for the adventure course, it is based on the number of days also. So based on the course, for how many days it is, from which date to which date, so likewise, so they will suggest, so you need to pay that insurance amount directly to the insurance company. They will tell all the things. Okay, and then you will get the insurance. So this you are doing there only. Next one, medical examination. Once you are going to the institute, so there they will do the medical examination. That means they will check your BP. That's it. They will not do all these x-rays and all these scans. Okay, they will check the BP. Okay, and not only this, before you are entering into the water, so then also they will check your BP. If it is normal, then only they will allow you. Okay, please understand this. And not only this, in the morning session generally you will be having, so this we are generally doing at the accommodation place only, and there itself lectures and everything will be taking place. And once it is done, then they will take you to the diving site. So at the diving site, I will show you that diving site videos mostly in the next video, next lecture. I will show you that location videos, some photos also. Okay, they will take you to that particular diving site location, and there they will display general, whatever the in general you are using the equipment will be there, no, that entire equipment they will show you one by one they will show you, they will tell you what is the use of it, everything. Okay, I also made some short videos with respect to each and every equipment. So from the next coming lectures onwards I will show you those also, because before going there, if you know what is the name of that equipment, how to use that, okay, and if you know at least this basic information, then it will be very easy. Once you are going there, you can easily understand them, okay, and how to use that, all the things. Okay, I am trying my best to know, to tell you all these basic things in simple. Okay, anyhow, in the next coming lectures we will see that, and this is what that is happening in the morning session. And not only that, in the morning session itself, once you are going there, so you will be undergoing some swimming test also. Regarding that, in the next video, I will tell you. You will be undergoing swimming test also in the morning session. And after that, you are coming back. And once you are coming back to the accommodation, you are not again going back to the site. So you will be there itself. You can sleep in the afternoon session. In the evening session, you will be having the lectures. Okay. In this scuba diving, generally what happens is morning at 9:30. Likewise, you are going to the, you are starting from the camp, means accommodation place, and almost by 9:45 9:50 you are reaching that location, and after that you are doing that particular whatever is they are saying, so you are doing that activity, and almost by 1:30 2 o'clock, or sometimes 2:30 depending on the activity and all, by 2 to 2:30 you are coming back to the accommodation, and you will be having the lunch, and then you can sleep generally until 6 o'clock suppose. So you can sleep until then, and at 6 o'clock suppose you are having the lecture, so it will be like around 1 hour to 1.5 hour lecture will be there. So you are attending that there itself, in wherever they are giving accommodation, there only the lecture will be taking place. And once it is done, again you are free. But please remember, there are huge concepts that you need to study. So in these particular 7 videos, I am not talking about the theory information, but I am making separate videos with the full explanation. I am making some videos related to that particular content also. So under the name of PADI, 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 whatever it is, open water, advanced open water, search and rescue, EFR, emergency first response, there are separate courses are there. Okay, so I got the PADI certification, so accordingly for each and everything I am making separate videos also. So please remember, the same content they will be teaching there only, but the thing is, so the content is very huge. So better, my suggestion is better go through those PADI content videos also, because the exam is conducted on that one only, right? So at a little bit better uh, with better explanation, I am trying to make those videos. So please watch all those videos in advance before going to that particular course, so that once you are going there, it will become very easy for you. Okay, anyhow, regarding that PADI videos and all, in the last video I will tell you. Okay, leave it. This is what the day one, almost every day will be like this only, but from the second day onwards, in the morning session, almost at 7 o'clock your PT will start. Okay, for the PT also they will take you to different locations. It will not be bored, so don't worry. So each day you are going to a different location, and after coming back, so you will be having some exercises, some relaxation exercises and all. Okay, so that's what about the PT. Next one, after that, so you will be having the breakfast, and after the breakfast you will be moving to the training area, and you will be kitting up, means you are arranging all the things, and then you are doing some practice, and after that again you are coming back and you are having the lunch, and then you are, if you want to sleep you can sleep, and in the evening again you are having the lectures. This is what the schedule is. So this is what the schedule for remaining days. So in this way this course is taking place, and please remember, so 5 days are for basic, and the next 4 days are for advanced, and next 6 days are for search and rescue. Clear? So in the same way, so here on the 5th day you are having an examination. Okay, and here on the day 9 you are having examination with respect to advance, and on the day 14 evening you are having examination with theory examination with respect to search and rescue. On day 15 morning session you are having practical test, okay, with respect to the scuba diving, and in the evening session, so badge presentation will be taking place, and after that, so 16th day morning you can leave. Okay, and please remember, so here, so if you are planning to leave on the day 15 evening, so my suggestion is don't plan on that day, because you are doing the dives every day. You are doing the dives every day. So as per the PADI rules, if you are observing, so if you are doing these dives every day, okay. So on the day 15 morning also you are having a dive. So as per the PADI rules, if you see, 18 hours rest is required. That means you should not travel to high altitudes. You should not travel by air also. That means you should not travel by aeroplane also. So that's why my suggestion is on the day 15, anyhow that is included day only. That is included in your course only. So better stay on that day. That day you just better stay there itself. So next day morning you can travel. This 18 hours will be completed, happily you can travel. Okay, so what is that particular logic behind that? Those things I will not discuss here. In that PADI content videos separately I will discuss about those particular things also, because they are all very important for us. Okay, so this is what about the course. In this way they are actually conducting this particular course. From the next lecture onwards, so we are going with the exact content related to this particular scuba diving. And please remember, so I tried my best to make some small videos related to equipment information, and some small videos related to what are the skills that are actually you are doing there. Some of the skills I tried my best. So those things we will see from the next lecture onwards. Okay, with this particular video is completed. Thank you.